Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. So on this video here, we have a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria police package that is now ready to be sold. This car has 80,000 miles and it has that's 80,000 miles on the odometer and 4,983 on the idle. Okay, it is a clean title. We do not sell any salvage vehicles. Okay, and this obviously it's a one owner. Okay, and remember, all of our cars, regardless of the miles, do come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract. So engine, transmission, differentials, and you can always upgrade to more. But again, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at drivecarsmart.com for full details on the vehicle. So here we go, guys. We'll start with the front and we'll go from there. So this vehicle is original paint. Okay, so we will have some paint imperfections there as far as nicks on the actual bumper. Okay, there's a little nick here. We'll try to point out some of them, the obvious, right? But in the front we have 225 225 55/17 tires. Good tire tread life remaining. Okay, there is one hole that was covered up here. Okay, there's a paint nick here. Okay, here, and some scratches right there. Okay, besides that, and some here. Okay, besides that, car is pretty good shape. So here we go. So we'll go towards the back again. In the rear, we do have brand new tires at the back. Okay, so we did go ahead and change those. So we put the two rears are actually brand new, and the tires in the front have about 95% tread life. But the back ones are the back tires are brand new. Okay, this vehicle is a the cap. I don't think this vehicle is a flex fuel. I believe this car, it might be, I think it's a regular 87 unleaded gas, but I never go off of this. I will do some research and I'll post it in the description if this vehicle is an actual flex fuel or not. Okay. The antenna displayed in the back is only for display only and is not connected. Let's get this little friend out of here. Thank you. Okay, so brand new tires in the rear. To have some little paint nicks here on the passenger front door. Aside from that, car is in pretty good condition. All right, so that's the outside, guys. So now let's jump in to the inside of the vehicle. Okay, this vehicle does have power seats, drivers only. You have your trunk release there and your trunk release in the middle for your partner. Okay, Got a metal cup holder. Okay, this car is not equipped with a radio. All right, so let's get to the rear. All right, so let's get to the trunk. 1 second. Okay, here's your trunk. This light here is not connected, and this tray here does pop towards you, so it pulls towards you. Okay, there's a hinge here, and on that side, put together, you pull on one side and it comes forward. Okay, we'll look at the passenger side, rear. All right, passenger front. Perfect. All right. So now let me show you the odometer and idle hours. So there is the idle and odometer. Perfect. So there you go, guys. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria P71. I'm sorry, PB7. That is now P7B. I'm sorry. That is now ready to be sold. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and I really appreciate you guys hitting the like button and hitting the subscribe button. So it helps me just put more content like this out there. And again, if you're interested in one of these vehicles, please feel free to reach out. We'll do whatever it takes to get you on the road of one of these vehicles. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a beautiful rest of day.